Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Back again with channel Auto 5000, and this is day is wet. You make a video from wet. Okay, this is we have Fortuner, yes, and we want to make a video about Fortuner, this car, and about what? About how to open the fuel cap. It's very important for you before have Fortuner, Toyota Fortuner. Okay, before you want to open the fuel cap, you must open the door for the driver, and after that you can seen the stick of fuel cap, and you can pull it, and after that you can close the door and going to the fuel cap cover, and you can open the fuel cap for the drain of fuel. Okay, this is very simple. Yes, of course. And you can think this is for your car, or for your friend car, or for your rent car, and you can make it for to traveler. Okay, the first we can show you about this Fortuner. Fortuner is very big car and very engaged and very nice. And okay, let's going to the practice. The first we can going to open this door, yes, like this, and after that you're going to the under dashboard for the right side, and after that you can see the stick of uh, open the fuel. This is the logo of indicator of train, yes, like that. This is and this is for the hood. And now we can we make a tutorial about open this fuel cap, right? Okay, like this for your pull it. Okay, like this, very simple and very easy. Yes, yes. And after that you can close the door, and after you close the door you can going to the side of Fortuner. Yes, this is a gap for fuel cap and cover, for fuel cap cover, like this. Yes, and you can open this cover, and then you can open this fuel cap. Okay, this is your open, and you can take it like this for fuel cap. Very simple. Of course, that's very simple. And you can drain this fuel until full. And this is benzene petrol fuel, or make a petrolite or petramax. Yes, right. And after that you can close the fuel cap like this, running to the right until the kapat. Yes, and then you can close this fuel cap like this, just for you. This is very simple. This is close the fuel cap cover. Okay, very simple. And you can make it again. Okay, let's try once again, one more again. Okay, we open the first. We must open this door of driver door. Okay, and after that we can pull it the uh, stick of fuel cap like this. Yes, very simple. Goes very simple, and then you can get to the fuel cap, but don't forget and forget for close the door. Don't forget, because noise for petrol is very high. And after you open the cover, you can open this fuel cap like this. Yes, and after that you can take it for this place for cap is like this. Okay, and after that you can going to the pool, going to close the cap, and then you can close this fuel cap cover. That's very simple. Yes, and I want to show you about one screen. If you have to the SPBU petroleum place, you have of in the car, you can like this, you can send way to the set of fuel cover in this place. Yes, have tanda panas for the right for the left, and that's mean fuel cap is on position in the left side of car. Yes. Okay, that's very simple practice to tutorial about how to open the fuel cap of Toyota Fortuner car. Thank you very much for watching this video, and don't forget to watching my video else. And thank you very much, and keep your health and your safe car life better from Auto 5000. Safe car life better. Barakallahu fikum ajmain. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Don't forget to subscribe and your comment for the column.